girl, ain't you supposed to be in the bed? The ladies are outside. I didn't think all of y'all was gonna be up. What is going on? Going in. How many cans is left to go in? I can't believe y'all came in and went so hard in the paint. See, y'all got me going into the secret stash and shit. One more time. Deep breath in. 1, 2, 3. Push. Oh my God. I'm so happy. This is the first time somebody had their baby while I was live. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. And Aria was like, we can wait. It's okay, Sammy. It's a couple of people on. And I was like, nah, something told me to just go ahead and get on. And look, the labor load was successful. This is officially my first labor load. Nessa, please. I was more excited than your bald head ass and you wouldn't even answer the damn phone. Then go get on the phone whispering and shit. Had me stressed out all day and night. I was walking the floor and smoking Newport Longs. Oh yeah, she did send 10 for whatever. Hold on. So we got 10 in the pot already, y'all. So somebody saying 3 or 2. We got 10 in the pot. I forgot I did see that pop up. My bad. Yes, this is for entertainment purposes only. Come for the squeezes, stay for the vibes. And I'm telling you, it's a vibe check. Okay? It is a vibe check. Every time I say something about somebody else, baby, Nessa be ready to pin me to the cross. She be ready to take me to the king. I don't have much to bring. Okay, somebody just sent for, it smelled like gas. Somebody just sent for aroma, period. Thank you. Thank you, Just Riri. I'm about to change these gloves. Hot and so hot in her. Okay. So we need 14 for the 2 less oils. 14 for the 2 less oils. Y'all not getting that other bag aroma because it's not gonna fit in here. We're gonna be on the flow. Okay, period. The other aroma is going in. Thank you. We are sold out, y'all. Don't y'all send for nothing else. That is it. That. Crazy and crazy. No. We got lazy. And crazy. Ooh. Don't pin nothing ignorant. I'ma end this live. Okay, watch this. Watch this. That's why I don't really be on y'all neck too hard about tapping, because if I'm not in the sink, I can't see the screen. But I'm gonna figure out how to work my front camera. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm not rushing. I still got 100 pounds of aroma to put in here. The hell? I don't tap anyways. You don't tap, you just pretend. Just be pretending. Pretending to tap. Pretender. I am never gonna forget that night. Oh my God, that was so epic. tea, like me. We did that green apple live for my birthday. Yes, sir. Miss Parker, Miss Parker. Look, she bit it off. Hit them with the flex, they gonna be begging for some more. Hey, Jersey. Hit them with that flex, they gonna be begging for some more. Hey, Goddess. Hit them with the flex. They gonna be begging for some more. Ooh, this thing full. I don't know how we gonna get these romans up in here. We got you're gonna clock in. I really need a epoxy to clock in. You know, Sammy is trying hard to read between the lines. Hold on, what I miss? Wait a damn minute. What we talking about? What did I miss? Hold on, what did I miss? Y'all talking about me? I don't like that. I thought we was all friends. Why can't we be friends? It's okay, I get drunk all the time. They talking about you while you squeeze late at night for us. Right. And let y'all get the secret stash. See? Ungrateful. Ungrateful. It's okay. It's okay. Ain't nothing wrong with talking to yourself as long as you don't respond. Now, when you respond, Houston, we have a problem. You gotta talk to yourself. Make sure you're in tune with your star player. Okay? If you don't talk to yourself, then you don't know if you're in tune with your star player or not. Sammy, we took a poll. How did I miss that? The hell? And what did the poll say? How y'all making polls that I didn't say make? What is going on in here? I ain't even see no poll. This is hypocrisy.